What if a tiny Python loop could lock your entire server right under your nose? What if the best defender is a local AI that never leaves your laptop? Today we explore a prompt-based framework that uses local LLMs to detect loop vulnerabilities in Python 3.7 and newer. Think of it as a metal detector that doesn't just scan metal, but understands the flow of your code. Loops can run away, exhaust resources, or expose security risks. Traditional tools look for patterns, but they miss the meaning behind the code. That's where these local LLMs step in. They read context, semantics, and intent, and they do it offline, safe from privacy worries. The study tested two local LLMs, LLaMA 3.2 with 3B parameters, and Phi 3.5 with 4B, guiding them through iterative prompts. The framework acts like a recipe: language-specific awareness, code-aware grounding, version sensitivity, and safeguards to prevent hallucinations. The goal is to make the model follow the code, not guess at it. The framework targets three loop categories: control and logic errors that reverse the flow, security risks inside loops like unsafe operations, and resource management issues that waste CPU or memory. In practice, a good prompt tells the model where the loop starts, what to check, and how to report findings with exact line references and justifications. Results showed Phi outperformed LLaMA in precision, recall, and F1. Why? Phi handled code context more faithfully and avoided false alarms. The takeaway is not that one model is perfect, but that a well-designed prompt framework can unlock reliable private code analysis on device. Think of it as a guided conversation with your own hardware. It's not about chasing every edge case, but about catching common, subtle loop flaws before they bite in production. If you want to dive deeper, check the description for the link to the paper and the supplementary prompts used. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with teammates who ship Python code. Tell me in the comments which loop issue worries you most, and I'll tailor future prompts to your language and toolchain. To learn more, try running prompts on your own local LLMs and share results.